learning to cook without recipes helps you reduce waste. And here's why.
Yes.
Before I say that, the average American is throwing away 25% of the food and beverages that they purchase.
Really?
And I haven't looked at the quote recently, but it's either, I think it's on average, $133 a month that
Wow.
Americans are throwing in the trash. So learning how to reduce food waste, whenever I'm talking with somebody for the first time, I always talk to them about their food waste, because if I could help them reduce their food waste, I could help them save $100 just by not
right there.
Just by not throwing away the food. So if you learn how to cook without recipes, you'll reduce your food waste, because I teach something called a fridge check. This is where every 2 to 3 days, you take 2 to 3 minutes and you check your fridge and see if anything.
I've never called it anything, but I do the same thing.
Yes, right? Every 2 to 3 days, take 2 to 3 minutes, check your fridge and see what needs to be used up. And when you see that little bit of chicken and that little bit of rice and those 4 carrots and those tomatoes that are looking squidgy and, but they're not bad, right? And so you can take all of that and turn those little bits and bobbles and turn it into a meal. But if you're stuck in only ever working from recipes, what's going to happen is you're not going to use that little bit of chicken. You're not going to use those 5 carrots. You're not going to use those squidgy tomatoes. And at the end of the week, you're going to be throwing those out. And so not only did you miss the opportunity of using up that food that was there, but then you used other food in its place. So you created like a doubly expensive dinner. So I love teaching people how to cook without recipes and, why that's important.